Hello fellow humans. Today, welcome back to Doing Dishes Like a Boss. I literally I haven't seen the first video in a while. Well actually I did take a quick look, it looks pretty bad. But this video should be way better, so let me start doing the dishes and show you how amazing I am and how perfect I am at everything. Starting with how I do the dishes. So, first thing you do, I wash my hands because I touch a lot of stuff during the day and I don't want all that stuff to get on my dishes that I'm taking out of the dishwasher. So once you get a good amount, you should start rinsing it off. You dry it off with a towel. This little towel will dry off your hands. After washing your hands, the first thing you do is you open the dishwasher. Then there's all these dishes in here. You open it up, and you have to have in your head an idea of where the good spot for everything to go. Like I put my cups in here, in these two. I put like a lot of my plates and bowls in here. I put my pots and pans down here. I put some really big bowls right there under this island. And I put all the special utensils in here, and then all like the normal silverware in here. So this is a cup, it goes in here. This is the best technique. You take them, stack them up, you put them in. Then another cup still goes in here. Another cup still goes in here. I always somehow have enough space. Even mugs, they go in the cup cupboard. This goes in here as well. And all these mugs go in here. It's usually nice to keep the mugs away from the cups. I don't do much of that because the way mine is, it's not really much. It's not going to do much. So just make sure a lot of the cups that are similar size, you make sure you get them all stacked up to save a lot of space. Because if I didn't stack them, I literally don't have that much space in this cupboard. So these are like this. This is a spatula. I don't know what the term for it is.
Fish slice.
Like a spoon. So I put it in the special utensils drawer right here. Close that down. That thing's always really full. I'm surprised I fit anything there as well. But that's just how skilled I am at this. So then keep putting everything away. So that's pretty much all the cups. There's one more cup, but I put it in a different place down here, where all like the really big cups go. There's that one. Okay, then we're done with cups. So we take all the bowls, put them in your hand, stack them, and throw them in the cupboard. There's actually another one on that side, right there. Then the small plates, I have those in the stack. Take these, open up the other cupboard, you put them in the stack. Take the big plate, you put it in the stack, and everything has its place. This keeps your kitchen very nice and organized. So if you have people over, you know where to get all your plates and stuff. I don't know anyone who doesn't do this, because it's just such a good idea. So here's a pot. I put it down here with all the other pots. And this is pretty much my entire epic technique for putting away stuff. And as I put in this pot, I'm going to put it with the pots as well. And then all my pots are done, and all my plates are done. Once I get this one done, all my bowls are done. And then I have I'm really blanking on the name of this,
baking
but
tray.
I put it right here. Other than that, I don't know, but I put it in here for the ones. Then I have the spoons. So with my collection of spoons, there are basically two sizes. So I put all the small ones together, put all the big ones together. It's the same thing with the forks. So those are all small spoons. This is a big spoon, so it goes here. And then you kind of just pick them up, you put them in a stack, you kind of figure out this one's in the smaller, this one's in the larger. So I have this, I have this, I have, okay, this is small. Those ones are large. This one's small as well, yep. This one looks like a big one, is it? Yes. So we put these with the large forks, and these with the small forks. And then, I look through to make sure I have everything. And yes, my dishwasher is completely empty. So we move on to the next part, where we put stuff in the dishwasher. So typically what works is putting the bowls and the cups up here on this upper rack, and putting like pretty much everything else in the lower rack. And there is a special little thing, a little holder for the spoons and forks and stuff. And I have that right here on the bottom. So, let's see, I have a fork. It's covered in pasta. I have to wash that off. This thing looks like it's bleeding horribly, so it's kind of weird to look at, but once we get all this pasta sauce off, it will look pretty good. Oh, tomato sauce, that's what it is. Kind of get some soap on there, and just kind of put all the sauce off, and then it should. Then, like, because you want to get all the sauce off first, just so that the dishwasher, doesn't have to get through that, and it just gets all the germs and stuff. So, because you don't need to, it's just, you don't want to get this extra stuff that doesn't have to be in the dishwasher. So that's why we just try to get out most of it. You don't have to get off every bit, it doesn't have to be perfect. Put that in there. So here's a cup. Now just rinse that out really quick. Boom, done. Put it in. That's good. Same thing with another cup. There's a bit of stuff in it. It's going to be harder to rinse out. You just kind of swirl it around and just quickly dump it out. I think it's good. It's all rinsed off. So we stick that in. Then here's another cup. Same thing, has soap in it. They're getting it all out. This one's cool because it changes color when you put stuff in it. It like turns red if you put like cold drink in it, or orange, whatever. Another cup right here. Got this. Filling it with water. Boom. Got that out. Got that out. Okay. Got that here. Here's a bowl. Spoon. Got getting the spoon cleaned off. Good. Then we put that just right to the fork. I leave a space in between so there's more space for the water to get through the washer. Because it goes up and down through. It goes down, I guess. I don't know. I haven't opened it up while it's running. But I think it just runs down. So here's a smaller plate. I just put it right here. Then here's a big plate. So I just clear this off. And a lot of these look really clear. If they look clear, you can probably just put them in. Because there's not really anything to rinse off. All you need to rinse off is like the visible stuff. Because the dishwasher should get all the invisible stuff off it. So this one has a lot of pasta sauce. We probably just need turn up the heat on this. Just to help kind of soak this in. Kind of get it all cleared off. I'm kind of splashing water. I'm kind of doing this kind of quickly for the video, so I'm kind of splashing water everywhere, but it's fine. I'll survive. So while this is soaking, I should move on to some other bowls. This bowl looks pretty good. I'm going to just rinse it off a bit. Get a bit of the water off. You try to get water off before you put it in the dishwasher, because otherwise I made a lot of puddles at the bottom of the dishwasher. I don't think that's a good thing. And this is just kind of a relaxing job. I just don't like doing it because it just takes time. I could be doing something else during it. But right now, I'm really happy because I'm making a video from this, so I don't feel like I'm wasting my time or anything. So, water's warmer. Yeah, I've been kind of having my water a bit too cold like this entire time, even when I was like washing my hands. I should have had it warmer pretty much the entire time. Okay. Kind of have to scrape it off with my finger. All the stuff in this bowl. Because it's the same bowl with the pasta sauce, or tomato sauce, rather. And it's just kind of rough to get it off. At this point, what you can do is you can probably just take this back out of the dishwasher and start using it to scrape crap off of this. And that kind of makes it easier. Just kind of get it off with like a fork. See, yeah, it's looking way better now. At least we don't have all that stuff going in the dishwasher, just kind of getting in the way. So yeah, this one doesn't have everything off, but I think it looks pretty good. So let's just stick these in the dishwasher. And that is all I have so far. I'm not going to run it yet, but what I do is put this little pod in, and then I just hit run because I already have all the settings set on it. So that is all I need to load for now. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. That'd be great. Bye.